going on today, guys? It's me, Lego Man 213. Sorry if I sound a little funny. I'm a little congested. Allergy season, fun. Today we're looking at a Lego Chima set. I cannot remember which set specifically it is, but it's the wolf pack, I think it's wolf pack copter with the scorpion dude. Set's very nice. Do these touch? Cool. Really, first I gotta go over the feature of this thing is this. Oh. So what you do is, when you build it, there we go, get some light. This little gear thing here, when you push this down here, it causes that gear to move, which in turn spins the choppers, the helicopter blades, I should say. A lot of stickers put into this, like sticker here, these two here, here, on the. That's pretty much it. Very nice build, very complex, I would say, actually. Here you can see you can actually get them to free spin on your own. Spin this upside down. There we go. That's the undercarriage of it. Now you can see how it's just a rubber band right there. So that's the copter itself. Now the set also includes kind of like a mini set, I would say, kind of like the scorpion guy here. It's similar to like a scorpion, whack. But the dude itself did not come with legs. He just came with a head, kind of like a helmet, I would say. Very good detail overall. Oh crap! Fine fall. That's his head. Very good detail. Very good chest detail. Is there any back printing? Yes, there is back printing. Now the helmet, very nice helmet. I love it. It does have printing on the top. You can see that. There we go. What I'm planning on doing is taking the helmet from this guy and maybe the guy himself and turning him into the Elder Predator from Alien vs. Predator and giving him, like, painting the helmet and stuff. I think that'd be neat because his head here is similar to the Predator's. But I'm getting off topic. Blech, can't speak today. Getting back to the scorpion thing, it's just like the parts that click together. Focus. They go, like that. They're kind of like they're like the Lego city sets where they got the cranes and whatnot. And then your little scorpion guy sits right there. And then he's got his, how many legs? 6 legs. Excuse me. Next up is the wolf minifigure. Very good detail. Love it. His mold for his head is awesome. So you can see through it, right through there and stuff. Very nice. Now what I don't get is they gave us 2 heads. Focus. Sorta. Here we go. That's one head. Kind of disgruntled, not very happy. And then he's angry, but you cannot see it through the helmet. So, like, if I go like this, you only can see his eyeballs, and that's it. So, don't know what Lego was thinking there, but it's an awesome minifigure. A lot of detail. Now, this is the fun part. You take that off, plus the mini head. Come on. Then the chest plate. Come on, chest plate, get off. There we go. This is his chest. A lot of good detail to it. You do have leg printing. Very good leg printing. The front piece here is very nice. He does have the belt printing. No arm printing. I'm okay with that, but the back printing is awesome as well. This is his chest plate. Just a single mold. That goes on there. No, don't roll ahead. And then the disgruntled face. And then his head mold. So those are your two minifigures. Similar in that sense for that one there. That's kind of a minifigure slash set. And that's the big set. I mean, bring my light up. I'd say it's probably, how wide is this piece? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 studs. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 of these 6 studs. So it's 36 studs long. I mean, if I was to take it apart, count it, and all sorts of fun stuff, which I'm not going to do, it'd be pretty big. I mean, my hand's pretty long, and it is about 2/3 of the ship itself. So yeah, this is the Lego Chima Wolfpack Chopper with Angry Scorpion set from 2014, I believe. Yeah, 2014. Yeah, 2014. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And Lego Man 213 out.